There is a monster destroying Forex accounts every single day. It doesn't live in the charts. It doesn't care about your strategy, and you can't see it on your screen. But once it takes control of you, it doesn't stop until your balance hits zero. This monster doesn't scream. It whispers. Just one more trade. You can recover this. You're too far in to stop now, and by the time you realize what's happening, your money is gone. Your confidence is broken, and your life feels heavier than before you ever started trading. Story 1. The night everything changed. He said he would stop after one trade. Just one. The account was already down, but not dead. All he needed was patience. But patience doesn't speak loudly. Impulse does. He increased the lot size, told himself, "This is the one." 5 minutes later, the account hit zero. What hurt wasn't the money. It was the silence afterward. No notifications, no charts, no hope. Just the realization that he broke his own rules. That night, he didn't sleep. Not because of the loss, but because he realized something terrifying. He was not in control. Story 2. When Forex becomes your last option. She started trading because life was collapsing. Bills were stacking. Income was unstable. Pressure was everywhere. Forex looked like a way out. But when trading becomes survival, every trade becomes emotional. She couldn't wait for setups. She couldn't accept losses. She needed results now. And the market sensed it. Loss after loss. Trade after trade. Until she didn't recognize herself anymore. Forex didn't save her life. It exposed the danger of desperation. Story 3. The rebuild that never happened. He blew 3 accounts. Each time he said, "I'll be more disciplined next time," but nothing changed. Why? Because discipline doesn't grow in chaos. He kept trading while broke, stressed, angry, unstable. He never stopped to build his life first. And every rebuild attempt was just another reset to zero. Sometimes the market doesn't block you. Life is telling you to step back. Story 4. The fast money curse. He wanted it fast. Flip the account. Prove something. Escape the situation. But fast money has a price. Every win increased ego. Every loss increased risk. Impulse became confidence in disguise. Until one day, everything vanished. Fast money didn't build his future. It erased it. Story 5. The day he walked away and won. This one is different. He stopped trading. Not because he quit, but because he finally understood. He focused on a stable job, skills that paid peace of mind, self-control. Months later, he returned. Smaller account, smaller risk, no pressure. And for the first time, he followed his rules and started winning. Because now, trading was optional, not survival. Story summary, the core message. The story reveals a dangerous truth. Most people don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because they lack control. The traders in the story didn't lose because the market was unfair. They lost because impulse slowly took over. Fear replaced patience. Urgency replaced discipline. Emotion replaced logic. Each loss pushed them deeper into pressure until their decisions were no longer theirs. The market didn't defeat them. Their own impulses did. One person finally won only when they walked away, rebuilt their life, and returned with stability, control, and peace. How this story relates to life battles. Forex is just a mirror. Life works the same way. In life, people rush decisions because they feel behind. They chase fast solutions instead of stable foundations. They try to fix pain with shortcuts. Just like trading, life punishes desperation. When people rush relationships, force success, chase quick money, ignore emotional health, they end up back at zero. Mentally, financially, or emotionally. Life battles are rarely about talent. They are about timing, control, and patience. The deepest life lesson. The story teaches one powerful lesson. If you don't control yourself, life will control you. Impulse is not only dangerous in trading, it destroys careers, relationships, finances, and mental health. Every major life collapse follows the same pattern: pressure, panic, poor decisions, regret. How to follow up in life the right way. 1. Build stability. Before chasing growth, secure income before risking money. Build emotional strength before big decisions. Create structure before chasing freedom. Stability gives you choice. Desperation removes it. 2. Walk away without shame. Stepping back is not weakness. It is strategy. Sometimes life is telling you, pause, rebuild, then return stronger. 3. Protect what keeps you alive. Whatever gives you stability. A job, a skill, a routine, peace of mind. Guard it fiercely. Don't let impatience destroy your foundation. 4. Replace speed with discipline. Fast outcomes feel exciting, but discipline builds long-term results. Slow growth survives. Fast growth collapses. 5. Return only when you're ready. Whether in trading, life, or dreams. Return calm, return stable, return in control. The strongest people are not those who never fall. They are the ones who learn when to stop and how to restart wisely. Final life message, very important. Life is a battlefield. You will not always win by pushing harder. Sometimes you win by stepping back, regrouping, and protecting yourself. Control your impulses. Build your foundation. Then fight smarter. That is the true life battle hack. If these stories shook something inside you, like the video so others can hear this truth. Subscribe to Life Battle Hack for more deep, dangerous mindset shifts about life, money, and discipline. Because life is a battle, and self-control is the real weapon.